PYRO tokens, latest news and developments, price prediction, and technical analysis at the end of this video and today's money bag alert, one not to miss. Welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said, out the way, we got welcome to PYRO, bringing a whole new meaning to hyper-deflationary tokens. They're calling it pure true burns. This one's pretty interesting. It's got some unique tokenomics, burning most of the supply right off the gate on buy and sells. But it also has a burn bot. This is pretty cool. So this is some new technology. We got PYRO as a fast burning hyper-deflationary token that gains value with every buy and sell transaction. The burns will be a true burn and not a fake dead wallet burn, and actually remove the tokens from the total supply with every buy and sell transaction. Since the initial supply of PYRO is limited, the floor price will continue to rise as more and more PYRO tokens are removed from circulation. And we'll check out the tokenomics in a second. 12% burns. But this is the unique utility that I think is pretty cool and will disrupt the market, and I think keep PYRO pushing forward. We got the project has developed a burn bot for hire by other projects. We've heard of buy bots. We've never heard of a burn bot. So shout out to PYRO bringing some new technology out with some unique tokenomics. We got if a developer or future project wants to have a guaranteed fully functional burner contract, they will need to use our custom burns PYRO contract with 2% going to PYRO from all their future buy and sell transactions, pushing the price of PYRO up even further alongside our burn bot with PYRO ad placements. I always talk about cross-pollination, and this burn bot's going to do it. We see those Bobby buy bots and the bubble bots. Imagine seeing your PYRO burn bot inside their things, and also with some ad placements. So that's some epic. That's an epic way to have some cross-pollination, some marketing going on, and to top it off, pushing the price with 2% of every buy and sell transaction going to PYRO. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. We got 29% of the supply has been burned. The PYRO burn never stops, as the team says. So the team behind PYRO has strategically planned and designed tokenomics in a way that will keep burning PYRO tokens forever on the blockchain. We call the strategy the PYRO burn principle, and the flames will continue to burn forever. As the number of PYRO tokens continue to fall due to the burns, a phenomenon called the gamma squeeze is expected to occur, resulting in the PYRO supply shock. This phenomenon will rapidly increase the price of each individual PYRO due to the scarcity as the total supply rapidly diminishes. And the tokenomics, we'll check them out right now. Right after going over this, the supply can diminish. We're talking about 12% burn going on every buy and sell tax. This is pretty cool. So we have, instead of a buy bot, we introduce the burn bot, PYRO bot, that will show how many tokens are burned with every transaction as it happens one by one. Think about how this could help keep strong engagement and build communities in the space. These bots post easily shareable amongst communities, and it will keep people aware of just how valuable and scarce these tokens will become over time. I agree with them. I see the Bobby buy bots, and when those bots first came out, I liked them a lot. I still like them to this day. How cool is that to have now a burn bot? You know, this is cool that you guys have something like this, the PYRO bot, and also on top of that, what your guys' advertisement, 2% going back to you guys. Now these unique tokenomics with a total a total burn of 12%, 6% going burn on the buys and 6% on the sells as well. So a total of 12% on buys and sells for this token. So this is one of the most hyper deflationary tokens I've ever seen. We got PYRO NFTs, exclusive PYRO NFTs for diamond hand PYRO holders. So definitely, if you're one of those holders, of course it's not financial advice, but if you're a long-term holder, you definitely got some epic NFTs to be looking forward to. Moving forward, why choose us? You won't find any reason not to love us, okay? Telegram burn bot, that's something that's huge. That's disrupting the market. I love the unique technology. It's very cool. So shout out to the developer and whoever came up with that. Let's get them a corner office. We got 100% of the taxes to burns. Never heard of that before. That's huge. No team tokens, liquidity locked, contract renounced, huge marketing, diamond hand NFTs, real use case, community focus. There is a real use case. I could see people using that burn bot nonstop. We hear people always asking teams, when is this burn going to happen? Well, right now the burn's going to happen. The burn bot by PYRO has been letting you know nonstop how these burns are going on. We got phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. Definitely we would just like to see some check marks so we can know along the line, if I'm a new investor coming in to check this out, where exactly do I want to jump in? You know, not financial advice, but the roadmap is usually a good spot that you can judge if the team and the community are keeping their goals and keeping what they're going to say happening basically. So how to buy some Pyro, go on to Uniswap. If you guys need some help with that, let me know down in the comments down below. I'll definitely help out with that. Now moving over to the community under Twitter, just take a quick look at it. We have 772 followers. Definitely come over here, like this up. We got 47 likes. This will also be a great time for you guys to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and make sure the bell notifications lit up. Light up the comments so like that I can keep dropping some Pyro videos for you guys and keep this going on. Now we got an amazing looking chart and a great opportunity. I've been watching this one honestly for a couple of days now because I seen this run up, I seen the hype, and you know, I'm a day trader and crypto trader. I wanted to get in at a good spot. I want everybody coming in on my channel to also be able to buy in at a great opportunity. Right now we have the end of a Wyckoff pattern. Any future resistance later on becomes support. And also let's check these areas right now. So we got this resistance right here, right, where the price was not being allowed to come out, not being allowed. Eventually we have this beautiful breakout. Hold on, I want one more arrow right here because we did tap right here. We were trading within this channel down here, right? We were inside this channel trying to break out of here. We tapped 3 times. Eventually we broke out. Notice we never made a support on it. Nothing going on in this area. We just went parabolic because FOMO is a real thing. So go Google this. It's called the Wyckoff pattern. This is the end of the Wyckoff pattern. Now we're saying, hey, this is our new zero threshold, which happens quite often. Wherever we had resistance before becomes a future support, and we can see that, and this thing is starting to make higher lows. We can find a support which we never identified when after we broke out, which is something that we're supposed to do. Notice that's what we did here, right? When we broke out, this was just really quick, just to give this example before we carry on. You know, this resistance right here, we have a breakout, but then notice how we quickly find a support right here. So we identify this as our new zero threshold, right? So we see that now it became a support. When we have the same example happen right here, we never made nothing happen. We never made a support saying that, hey, we're not going underneath $6.78. So that's that mark right now. This is a money bag alert, not financial advice, but we can see a chart looking pretty healthy with the end of a Wyckoff pattern, the all-time highs wicking all the way up to $10.71, which I think this will crush that all-time high. Especially with the hype that's going on right now, finding that new zero threshold. This is a healthy pullback. We also have the chart making higher lows as we start to march. After we make that initial support, we want us to go up, make that pullback. That helps us identify our next level of support, which is right here, which is true because we can see it, that it was something that it tried to hold on to when we were peeling back, when we came back from those all-time highs. And it can never hold on to these areas. We can see that this area now is true and holding to it because we found that zero threshold. We're above it right now, making that pattern I always show you guys. And now we're just making higher lows. This was a higher low right here as well. And we can see that being true as well. If we go ahead and mark it, it didn't make a red candle. But if we look, it made a support where there was a resistance before. Notice that this was a resistance before where we try to hold on, we try to break out. It didn't happen, but we can see that being a support now. Now we're probably going to make a support right here, which is a healthy chart once again, right in the same area, making a higher low, definitely marching towards the direction of making a new all-time high and possibly, you know, breaking this, maybe going to $15. That would be that new psychological barrier because we're dancing with that. Just want to see this. This could be that $9 zone right here between this $9.24. But breaking past that $10 zone again would be that psychological barrier, and it can cause some momentum going to $15, and then the next stop would be $20. So once you guys smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave some Pyro comments down below, set it on flames down there, and continue to come back and experience the abundance of money. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.